Have you ever wondered what exactly makes someone legally responsible when an injury happens? It is more precise than simply saying one thing led to another. Understanding this core concept is key to navigating personal injury law. In personal injury law, the legal cause of an injury, often called causation, involves two main components. These are cause in fact and proximate cause. Both must be present for a party to be held liable for an injury. The why behind legal causation is crucial because it establishes a direct link between an action or inaction and the harm suffered. First, we have cause in fact. This is often determined by the but-for test. Simply put, but for the defendant's actions, the injury would not have occurred. If a driver runs a red light and hits your car, your injury would not have happened but for their decision to run the light. This part is about direct correlation. The second essential part is proximate cause. This concept ensures fairness and prevents limitless liability. Proximate cause means that the injury must have been a reasonably foreseeable consequence of the defendant's actions. It asks whether the harm was a natural and probable result of what happened. For example, while running a red light caused the crash, it would not be a proximate cause if, 3 weeks later, your car was struck by lightning due to being parked for repairs after the initial crash. Knowing how this works in practice helps you understand your rights. When an injury occurs, consider the sequence of events. First, identify the action that directly led to the harm. Then, think about whether that harm was something a reasonable person could have anticipated from that action. Gathering evidence that connects these dots, such as incident reports, witness statements, and medical records, is very important. Sometimes, there are multiple contributing factors or even new events that happen after the initial incident. These are called intervening causes. An intervening cause can sometimes break the chain of proximate causation, making it a complex area. For example, if a doctor commits medical malpractice while treating an injury from a car crash, the original driver might not be liable for the malpractice itself. Ultimately, understanding cause in fact and proximate cause empowers you. It clarifies how an injury ties back to a specific party's responsibilities. This knowledge helps you protect your interests and build a strong foundation if you ever need to pursue a personal injury claim, ensuring accountability for actions that lead to harm.